In Pappu Can't Dance, the song, the references to Papa कहते हैं, any nostalgic moments? The guitar is there.
That was actually Abbas as a lyric writer. It was his naughtiness of putting that in. Papa कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. So he put that in just as a, I don't know. He just thought it would be a nice thing to put in as a connection between my first film, Imran's first film. I suppose that's why he did that.
But are you really pointing to Salman Khan? Are you really pointing to Salman Khan?
No, I'm not. I think Pappu Can't Dance is certainly not a song on Salman. And according to me, Salman dances very well. मुझे लगता है सलमान बहुत ही अच्छा डांस करता है, मुझसे तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा डांस करता है, तो लिहाजा पप्पू कांट डांस इज नॉट अ टेक ऑफ ऑन सलमान एट ऑल.
आमिर दोनों फिल्में 4 जुलाई को, आमिर दोनों फिल्में जो है दोनों डेब्यू हैं और 4 जुलाई को रिलीज डेट रखी गई है. ये बताइए कि हरमन परवेज और इमरान खान दोनों को एक साथ लॉन्च करें, आपको लगता है कि बॉक्स ऑफिस पे कुछ किसका असर पड़ेगा, आप क्या कहेंगे?
And one is designed to launch a super.
Exactly. And हैरी परवेजा ने आपको कहा था, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि
जी हाँ, हैरी मेरे बहुत अजीज़ दोस्त भी हैं और मैंने अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश भी की कि डेट क्लैश ना हो, लेकिन ये मुमकिन नहीं हो सका. और मेरी समझ से इतनी फिल्में रिलीज़ होती हैं कि ऐसा कोई भी हफ्ता नहीं मिलेगा हमें जब हम विदाउट कोई फिल्म आए. तो लिहाजा मेरी समझ ये है कि फ़िल्म अगर अच्छी है, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि हैरी की फ़िल्म भी अच्छी होगी और हरमन ने अच्छा काम किया होगा, और मेरे बेस्ट विशेज़ हैं उनके साथ. मैं चाहूँगा कि दोनों फिल्में कामयाब हों, दोनों फिल्में अच्छा लोगों को पसंद आएँ, और मैं चाहूँगा कि लोग हैरी के बेटे हरमन को भी पसंद करें. ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं. वेलकम भी अच्छी चली थी, तारे ज़मीं पर भी अच्छी चली, और घायल और दिल आई थी एक साथ, लगान और गदर आई थी एक साथ. तो अगर फिल्म अच्छी होती है तो वो कामयाब होती है, लोग पसंद करते हैं, और अगर अच्छी नहीं होती तो आप जब भी रिलीज़ करें लोगों को पसंद नहीं आएगी, तो कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता उससे. मेरा ये मानना है कि फिल्म अच्छी होनी चाहिए, फिर आप जब लाएं वो लोग पसंद करेंगे.
Rashid Ali has sung 2 songs in the film, Aditi and one more.
Yeah.
It's very different kind of voice. Do you think that it can be something like Udit Narayan, what he was for you?
I think Rashid has done a great job. He's a young, talented singer. He plays the guitar very well, and he's a good choice, which I think AR did for the voice of those 2 songs, and he has a lot of potential. So yeah, I think he'll go a long way.
Aamir, having said that you did not plan to launch Imran, but now after he's acted in your film, what do you think of him as an actor, since you're a very perfectionist director, everything?
And people have already been talking about Imran as the younger Aamir Khan look-alike.
Yeah, well, everything. I mean, especially his acting skills, because you're very perfectionist about it. We want your honest opinion.
I'll tell you my honest opinion. I think Imran has a great screen presence. I think he's highly watchable. I think he's done a very good job for his first film. I also feel he has a lot to learn. I think he has shown a lot of improvement even right through the shooting of the film. So I think he has a lot of potential. How well he does for himself, we'll have to wait and see. I think he's good, but I think it's more important what the audience feels. So let's wait to see what the audience feels. I genuinely think he has a lot of potential, and it's really up to him at the end of the day how much he puts into it and is able to